This is Newport News TV.
Newport News Police need your help to solve a series of copper larcenies. Since early March 2010 through May 24th, there have been 11 reported incidents of stolen copper in Newport News. We need your help to stop these thefts and bring the guilty to justice. In each case, some unknown person or persons cut copper wire water pipes, copper pipes to outdoor air conditioners, and remove copper gutters and copper roof flashing from apartment buildings, businesses, and churches. 4 of the 11 incidents have been churches in the Southeast community. The remaining incidents have occurred around the Marshall Courts apartment complex in the 3400 block of Marshall Avenue. Police believe the stolen copper is being sold for scrap metal. To date, the missing copper is valued at more than $20,000. Police have no suspect information in these larcenies. If you know anything about these larcenies or know who's responsible, call Crime Line at 1-888-LOCK-YOU-UP. Your tip, if it leads to an arrest, will earn a cash reward of up to $1,000. Remember, your call to Crime Line is confidential and you never testify in court. For the Newport News Crime Line, I'm Officer Harold Ely.